How to clear X app cache storage on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. At the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now head towards the option of Settings and Support. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Now click on the option of Accessibility, Display and Languages. You will see the option of Data Usage. Click on it. At the bottom, you will find this section of storage. Under that, you will find the option of Media Storage. Click on that option. Click on Clear Media Storage. Again, click on Clear Media Storage. Now click on Web Storage. Now click on Clear All Web Storage. With that, you will be good to go. Likewise, another thing you can do is open your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here, you have to find the app X. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache of the app. Now click on Reinstall app. So this way you can easily clear X app cache storage on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.